a problem where we need to determine the final temperature of silver. What's happening is we have a sample of silver. It starts at 71 degrees C. We add some heat, so it's going to increase in temperature. We want to know the final temperature, so we need to calculate delta T. All right, so heat involved in temperature change. Mass times specific heat times delta T. Our delta T is going to be determined by heat divided by mass and specific heat. Okay, a word. I have been using the terms heat capacity and specific heat interchangeably, and you can do so as well for these problems. They're not really the same thing. We'll learn about what that difference is later on. Now, we look up the heat capacity of silver from our conversion sheet. We see there's two different values. We want to choose the value that is consistent with the units we're given in the problem. In the problem, we're given joules, so we want to choose the heat capacity of silver that's expressed in units of joules. When we choose the appropriate value, we see units, joules, here are going to cancel out, as do grams. So our delta T is going to be expressed in degrees C as expected.